Some big news coming in from Mumbai. India Today accesses BMC notice copy to Kangana Ranaut for her car residence in 2018. BMC officials say that they found serious violations at her car residence, key lapses at Kangana's house, unauthorized amalgamation and additions, alterations in flats. Ducts near the toilets and bathroom are found either changed in sizes or covered. Remember, in 2018 itself, the BMC had issued a notice to Kangana Ranaut's in fact, to her, accusing her of building a house or constructing an apartment in violation to BMC norms. And this notification, India Today has now accessed, which was sent to her in 2018. In fact, the BMC officials say that they found some serious violations at her car residence, and those lapses include unauthorized amalgamation and additions, as well as alterations in her flats. The ducts near the toilets and the bathroom are found either changed in sizes or covered up. And this, of course, has led to the BMC, has prompted the BMC to issue her a notice in 2018, which is now accessed by India Today. Saurabh Bhaktania joining us live for more details on that. Saurabh, take us through this notice that the BMC has sent to Kangana Ranaut back in 2018, where they're identifying some glaring lapses in her house construction, her car residence. What are those lapses that have been found? Take us through this notification that India Today has accessed, a notice to Kangana.
Well, Nabila, this is the exclusive notice which the India Today has accessed. Now, this particular notice was given to Kangana Ranaut's official residence, that is in Khar West on 16th Road at the DB Realities building. Now, this particular notice is given to the 5th floor official resident of Kangana Ranaut. There are 3 flats total. This first notice was given in the year 2018. Now, after that, there was a reply by Kangana Ranaut, but she also moved to City Civil Court. Now, we spoke to the BMC officials here. They told us that this violation is even more grave than the particular violation at her office, which was at Pali Hill. Now, let me read out to you some of the unauthorized construction which has taken place, which has been pointed out by the BMC officials, which we have totally access to. EF sunks are found filled on this floor. Platter sunk is not found as per approved plans. Steps are found provided treat. Chhajjas, this is the flower bed area which we say. Chhajjas are found used as balcony by removing the adjacent wall. Service slab sunks are filled and adjacent wall removed, and same is converted into balcony and made room. Common passage between staircase and kitchen at the north side covered by providing door near kitchen. Common passage in build between flats covered by providing door in the front lobby of the following construction. Unauthorized amalgamation and additional alteration in the flats. Ducts near toilet and bathroom are found either changed in size or covered. So what the BMC officials are now telling us that these are the very serious lapses, serious unauthorized construction which has happened in her flat. Now remember, BMC has very recently, Nabila, they have asked the court where this particular case is going on. They have asked that the ban, the stop work notice which is right now in this particular case, is they should lift that particular stop work notice, and so that they can take an action. Now, particular case hearing is now going to happen on 25th of September. So it's like a war which is right now going on between Kangana Ranaut and the Maharashtra state government, especially the Shiv Sena. We have never seen BMC, who has been so active in such cases. In just 24 hours after the notice which was given to Kangana Ranaut, her office at Pali Hill was demolished by the BMC official. Now the BMC officials have went ahead. They have requested, in fact, the court to lift the evacuation
Saurabh, can you hear me?
Which has been put up by the court, and they have asked that image.
Saurabh, if you can take us through a quick word on
Nabila,
these alterations and violations that Kangana has allegedly committed in her house construction in Khar. Is this a regular affair across of apartment buildings in Mumbai, or is this Kangana's standalone violation itself, which is why they want to demolish her home?
Well, Nabila, if I must tell you that these are posh houses. They're situated in the posh localities. Now, all these houses are huge. The normal Mumbai curve will be staying in around 500 to 700 square feet flat, but this all flats are over 2,000 to 3,000 square feet. So those are the huge flats. Now, since Kangana Ranaut shifted there has to be an approved plant which has to be taken by the BMC official. The architecture and other details are being submitted to the BMC. They say all this work, all the alteration, all this furniture will be placed over here. All this design work will be done. And that approved copy, after the approved copy you get from BMC, you have to do the work. Now, once this is over, there is a survey which has been done by the BMC official, and in those survey, these lapses are been found. Now, what the BMC is trying to say is that these lapses which are at the Kangana Ranaut's house are very severe violation than which had taken place at her office. So what BMC is now trying to portray is that these are the very serious lapses and we need to take an immediate action. But we have to understand why such immediate action now, Nabila. This is the timing which we are raising question on, because in just 24 hours after the notice which was
here, the
given to
BMC
Ranaut,
trying
her
all
office at
tricks in the
Pali
book.
Hill
Of course,
was,
Kangana
demolished.
may have committed those violations, undoubtedly. This is exactly what the notice also says. In fact, India Today has accessed that notice where glaring violations are visible as per the notice.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.